Welcome to another Instagram tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to see a full list of all the follow requests you've sent on Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. In the Settings and Privacy menu, choose Account Center at the top. Scroll down and select Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Download Your Information. Tap Download or Transfer Information. Select the types of information you want to include by scrolling down to Connections and selecting All. Tap Next at the bottom. Ensure Download to Device is selected and tap Next. Select the appropriate date range for your follow requests, e.g. last year, if your requests were sent within the past year, or all time for a broader range. Choose HTML as the format for easier viewing and select Create Files. Instagram will compile your data and you'll be notified when the file is ready. Return to the Download Your Information screen and look for the request under Available Downloads. Tap Download and enter your password when prompted. After downloading, locate the file in your phone's File Manager or Files app. The file will be in a zip format. Unzip the file, then open the folder named with your username. Inside the folder, find and open Connections. Navigate to Followers and Following. Open the file labeled Pending Follow Requests. This file will list all your pending follow requests along with the names and dates. To manage any request, you can click the provided links to open their profiles in Instagram. To cancel a request, visit their profile and select the Requested button to remove it. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to view and manage your sent follow requests on Instagram. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tutorials and gadget reviews.